I'll guide you through creating and populating a Meta product catalog in Commerce Manager, setting up automated inventory syncs, and connecting your Meta pixel so you can launch Facebook and Instagram shops and run dynamic retargeting ads. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. A Meta product catalog acts as the central inventory engine for your business across Facebook and Instagram. Instead of manually uploading product photos for every post or ad campaign, a catalog securely stores your titles, images, prices, and inventory levels in one structured database. This unlocks essential commerce tools, including setting up Facebook and Instagram shops, tagging products in posts and reels, and running Advantage Plus dynamic ads that automatically show store visitors the exact items they viewed on your website. To set up your catalog container in Meta Commerce Manager, navigate to commerce.facebook.com on your desktop browser, or open Meta Business Suite and select All Tools, then click Commerce. Click Create a Catalog or Add Catalog. For catalog type, choose e-commerce for physical products, or select travel, real estate, or auto, if applicable. Select your catalog owner, ensuring you assign it to your primary Meta business account rather than a personal profile. Enter a clear name for your catalog, such as your store name followed by Main Catalog, and click Create. Once your catalog container is created, choose one of 4 ways to import your inventory based on your tech stack and catalog size. Select Connect to Partner Platform. This establishes a direct API link that automatically syncs product details, prices, and stock levels in real time whenever changes occur on your website. This is especially recommended for Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. For large inventories and spreadsheets, select Data Feed to upload a CSV, TSV, or XML file. You can paste a hosted file URL, such as a live Google Sheets link or website feed, and configure a daily or hourly update schedule so Meta regularly refreshes your inventory automatically. For small catalogs under 50 items, select Manual, then click Add Items. Manually input the required attributes for each item: title, description, website link, price, currency, availability, condition, and a high-resolution product image URL. Once your catalog is populated and connected, open Facebook or Instagram on your mobile app, create a post, story, or reel, tag products, search your catalog, and select items to turn your media into shoppable posts. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.